Welcome back, my dear students of class 10th. Dear student, I am Rajendra from LPM Public School, that is the renowned public school of the Eastern UP. It is situated in Gorakhpur, in a town that is Gola Bazar. Dear student, today's topic is our environment, and you are learning a series of the digital video of the chapter that is our environment. Dear student, today's topic is trophic level. Trophic level. Dear student, as we have discussed in the previous video about the different trophic levels, producers, primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer and top consumers. So these are the different trophic levels, number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4. Dear students, let us see some examples of these trophic level, the energy transfer in the form of food, and that comes under the representation of the trophic level. So the representation of the trophic level is by the forming a pyramid. So this is, suppose this is a pyramid, and why choosing this pyramid? Because here at the lower level you will see this is the base of the pyramid, and this base is represented by the producers. This base is represented by the producers. So here producers are to be represented because this base is wider, and that is why the producers are having so many populations. Producers are having enormous populations. They are more in number as compared to, say, primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer and whatever. So suppose this base is having 1 lakh, this base is having 10 lakh, then this will be the primary consumer level. And primary consumers will be the herbivores. These producers plants, and these primary consumers dependent upon the plants because they are herbivores, whether they are insect or they are grazing animals. So they will be called as the primary consumer, and their population will be decrease. Suppose it is 80 lakh, 8 lakh. Suppose it is 8 lakh. At third level, you see again decreasing the population, and that population is of secondary consumer. Secondary consumers are carnivores, and these will be the animals. Only carnivores will be there, secondary consumer. And tertiary will be here. Tertiary consumer, they will be again in the less number, and they will be the carnivores of the carnivores. They hunt these secondary consumers like lion, tigers, hawk, etc. And this will be the top consumer. So top consumer, lion, tiger. Tertiary consumers, carnivores of carnivores, and the secondary consumers are carnivores, and primary consumers are herbivores. Therefore, dear student, if you see this 5 lakh, 3 lakh and 1 lakh. So these numbers will vary. This pyramid shows that from the ground level, that is at the base, plants are there and they are having so many numbers and they having their huge population to maintain the life on the earth, to manufacture the food for everybody. That is why they are in more number. Herbivores, they become closer to these producers and they will maintain their number little bit less than this 10 lakh, 8 lakh. Secondary consumers, they are animals and they are carnivores, they represent at 5 lakh, half number of the primary base. And this 3 lakh, that is tertiary consumers, carnivores of the carnivores, 3 lakh, and top consumers, they are 1 lakh, only 10% of this base will be there. So they may be endangered because there is another pyramid of energy transfer. This is the pyramid of biomass. This is the biomass pyramid. So this is the representation of trophic level. This is the representation of trophic level. This is the biomass pyramid, and pyramid in numbers. Again, pyramid in biomass, pyramid in numbers, and pyramid of energy, that is again very important. Pyramid of energy, again, that is very important because if you see this energy transfer, there is a 10% law. There is 10% law that control, that regulate the complete process of the energy transfer. 10% law of energy transfer. My dear students, ultimately these producers trap the sunlight and sun energy. Only 1% of the sun energy comes to these producers. Only 1% of the sun energy comes to the earth, and they utilize only 10% of that 1%. So producers utilize, if 10,000 joule of energy, then next level they will utilize these producers, they involve 90% of this 10,000 and only 10% they will transfer to the herbivores. So 10,000 means 1,000 joule they will transfer to upper level, upper trophic level, and these herbivores, they transfer only 10% of this 1000 joule, means 100 joule. 100 joule of energy to this level, and this level, this tertiary level, secondary level, it transfer only 10 joule to upper level, tertiary level, and this level will transfer only 1 joule to the top level. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be 10 joule. It will be 100 joule. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is the level. And this is 5. 4 and this is 5. 5. So these are the rules. It will be represented as the only 1 joule, and it will be represented the 10 joule. So my dear students, these are the producer, primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer, and top consumer. So lion and tigers, they get less energy because they are at the top of the food chain, and as per the energy transfer law of 10%, it will get only 1 joule of energy, while the plant is getting 10,000 joule of energy. Primary consumers are getting 1,000, secondary consumers are getting 100 joule, tertiary consumers are receiving 10 joule, and top consumers, they are receiving only 1 joule. That is why these lion and tigers became endangered, because they are getting only less amount of the energy, because as you know, the sun is the ultimate source of the energy. So my dear students, this is the energy pyramid. This is the energy pyramid, and by this pyramid you will learn about the energy transfer process, and that is governed by the 10% law of the energy transfer. So you are comparing these two: biomass pyramid, oblique number pyramid, and biomass pyramid, oblique number pyramid, and compare with the energy pyramid, that is dependent, that is controlled, that is designed as far as the 10% law of the energy transfer. So my dear students, this is all about the trophic level, different trophic level, and in the next video you will see other topics. Thank you very much. Have a good day.